Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a makeup look using all drugstore products. First, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in soft brown to fill in my brows. I'm just following their natural shape, darkening them up a bit, and brushing them out.
Some things never change, never change.
Next, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Vanilla to clean up the top edge of my brow, and then since that shade is a bit yellow, I'm switching to the shade Pale to clean up the lower edge of my brow, and also dragging this down onto my eyelids to act as my primer for eyeshadow.
Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change.
I'm quickly just pressing it in with a Real Techniques mini sponge, and then starting on my eyeshadow using the Profusion Paradise palette. I really love Profusion palettes. They have amazing color payoff and blendability for being as affordable as they are. This one in particular is only $13. The first shade I'm dipping into is this matte beige, which I'm applying all over my eye to set the concealer. Next, I'm applying this orange shade in my crease using the Morphe JH34 brush. I'm just going back and forth with windshield wiper motions to blend it in and build up this color without worrying about applying it towards the front of my eye.
Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just...
I'm now picking up this burnt orange shade and applying it more precisely into my crease and keeping it below the light orange shade in order to add depth into the crease.
Leaving crumpled bodies in my wake, swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make...
Now I'm quickly going back in with the orange and fluffing it around the edges of that darker shade to blend it out.
Some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again.
Next, I'm beginning to pack on this matte purple shade into the front of the crease using the Morphe M506 brush and just sweeping it into the orange a bit to blend the two together. I'm then taking the JH30 brush to diffuse the edge a bit. I'm also packing the purple into the outer V beneath the orange shades and then cutting my crease.
Beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way.
I'm using the same NYX concealer in Pale to create a half cut crease, which to my surprise was incredibly easy to do. I think its thick consistency is great for creating a precise cut, and it also didn't mix with the eyeshadow, so I only had to use this one layer of product. Next, I'm just tapping my finger onto the outer edge of the concealer in order to blend it into the purple we applied in the outer V. I'm also just adding a bit more purple to that area and making sure it's nice and blended by sweeping some more of the orange along the outer edge. Now to fill in the area we just cut out, I'm first packing on this matte green shade to the spot on the lid that is closest to the outer V. I'm then picking up this shimmery golden yellow shade and applying that to the rest of the open space. To blend that shade with the green, I'm just tapping it onto the green a bit and then tapping some green over top. Next, I'm curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler and applying some Pacifica Stellar Gaze mascara. For lashes, I'm using the Rios Beauty lashes in the style Magnifique. If you're interested, you can use my code TAYLOR for 10% off at checkout. Before starting on my face, I'm just lining my top waterline with the Profusion waterproof eyeliner pencil and then going ahead and priming with the Maybelline Hydrate Master Prime. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 201. As always, I apply this to my face and neck with an emphasis on my neck for this specific foundation because it's a little bit too dark for me. Now for concealer, I'm using the same NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Pale, which we used on the eyes. This concealer dries really fast, so I'm applying it in sections and blending it out before moving on to the next area. I like to use concealer to highlight my face sometimes, so I'm also applying a little bit to my forehead, nose, and chin. Next, I'm setting my face where I placed the concealer using some Althea Korea Petal Velvet Setting Powder. This product is only $5, so it definitely fits into the drugstore category even though it's only sold online. Now I'm setting my face with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and now it's time to add some definition to the face. I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline, and chin with the Maybelline City Bronzer in 300 and using a light hand because this product is extremely pigmented and a little goes a long way. Now for highlight, I'm using the LA Girl Strobe Light Powder in 110 Watt, which is a lovely golden champagne shade.
You think I would look pretty?
Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Rose and then finishing off my eyes. First, I'm applying the purple shade to the outer part of my lower lash line and then blending it out with the orange. I'm then popping this shimmery purple shade onto the center of the lower lash line and applying the shimmery yellow shade to the front part. I'm also highlighting my inner corner with this soft gold shimmer shade and then applying mascara to my lower lashes. Now I'm just removing the foundation from my lips using a Spascriptions Hydrating Facial Wipe and then applying this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. This product is very buildable, so I'm just layering it until I've reached the darkness that I want.
Change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools.
And that completes this makeup look using all drugstore products. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
So save your judgment, 'cause you just don't.